Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia 5 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Start by opening settings. After that you need to choose device connection and tap on pair new device. Wait for available ones to show up, and when they do, just click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now select pair in the pop-up and wait for this device, in my case Honor, to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected, but you can always disconnect them by clicking on this little gear icon next to the device, choosing forget and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!